Easy. Oh, that song, I like the P. Wait, can I go? It's been so far, don't quiet throughout this show because we get
the way girls that they come, I just, but as we say Teetee around, so I go turn off.
You understand?
I mean, it makes sense.
Correct. But any which way, Sha, on top of the P, now Friday night, you know, they make sure everybody could just enjoy, you know, every we'll carry control today. Ladies and gentlemen, like I talked just now, we get our final guest. Today, now guest, entertainment levels. But this particular one, like I told just now, she fine, she done a prim and proper level, you know. But I know say the song make too much brain. It makes too much brain. She don't look like waiting the song be because the song get muzzle, you know. But when she perform for here, we go know on top every. Teetee, how you day?
I'm cool.
I'm cool. Hey, I'm cool. You know. I know we don't say the ginger pass down because when we hear the song just now, powerful inside the whole thing. All right. So Teetee, say your name na Teetee. I've been one other name with the funkify into Teetee.
No, that's my natural name.
Now your natural name.
The name my mama gave me be that.
Now be that one. All right. So Teetee, so which song you perform for us right now?
Ebelebe.
Ebelebe.
Yeah.
Where the inspiration for Ebelebe come? Because just now see bana. Now Ebelebe.
Okay. Ebelebe normally it means wonderful. Okay. So now just love song, normal love song for talking to a guy. Why
love una like love like this? All these girls, if they don't sing about heartbreak, una go sing about say love me. Una they sing say you can do better, you can do great, but love.
No, we just love it. They plenty, but at least we just start with love first to show say yes, we love.
Okay. All right, so we go leave Teetee make she perform, give us her very, very wonderful bedu and every. And by the time she done the round up on the performance, all of us will come back, come celebrate and say, okay, final P on a Friday night. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I go leave now with Teetee to perform her song, Ebelebe.
The boy on the beat.
Kere mama, kere mama, kere mama, it's your girl Teetee, short boy on the beat, see me singing, do you remember when you say you go buy me Ferrari, oh, yeah. Do you remember, when you say you go love me forever, oh, baby, the boy you love now, your love now, say your love now, your love now, you love me, say you go marry me, this your love is wonderful. Hey, this your love is wonderful, baby. This your love is wonderful. Hey, and now me and you go chop a more. My baby jingle, my baba jingle, my baby jingle, my baba jingle, my baby jingle, my baba jingle. Remember when you say you go buy me Ferrari, oh, yeah. Do you remember, when you say you go love me forever, oh, baby, the boy you love now, your love now, say your love now, your love now, you love me, say you go marry me, you go marry me. As I see you, now so my heart just a beat, oh. Them they look me, them think say na juju catch me. Because I wanna love you every day. Oh, love for me more I go check out Joe. My baby jingle, my baba jingle, my baby jingle, my baba jingle, my baby jingle, my baba jingle, my baby jingle, my baba jingle. Remember, when you say you go buy me Ferrari, oh, don't forget, yeah. Do you remember, when you say you love me forever? The boy you love now.
Ebelebe. Correct song, Teetee. Beautiful song. All right, I also now feel that particular jam, Ebelebe. nice, like I tell you just now, correct delivery and everything. The song itself, it ginger me itself on the Friday P. And I don't say, as they complete the show right now, the grooving of every. All right, so I'll call everybody when I come, join me on top of the whole level right now. Even as they call the whole thing to a close. DJ Easy Beat, thank you very much. You hold down the wheels of Steve. When I come. But now full house, now we get to do full house. All right, so biggest thank you to my producer and every other person with the back of the camera to say big thank you to all of you. ES Plus, thank you very, very much. Cute Sage, thank you very much. MC Abe, thank you very much. All the bros, say you carry what inside the studio. And of course, Teetee, thank you very, very much for joining us on the show. All right, so from here, we go say make una get better weekend, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, make sure say una no drink and drive at all. For those of you who must drink, una drink water. All right, so all right, from here, good night, everybody. Make all of us say good night to see you on Monday. All right, hey.
Remember, when you say you go buy me Ferrari, don't forget. Do you remember? When you say you will love me forever, talk